C3 versus LG C2. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video, and also watch the video till the end. Here you will see this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about panel type. C3 provided OLED EVO and G2 also provided OLED EVO, so both are equal. Now let's look at the brightness. C3 provided improved brightness over C2 but lower than G2, and G2 provided higher brightness with heat display tech, so G2 is better. Now let's look at the design. The design of C3 is slim design with a standard stand, and the design of G2 is a gallery design, flush wall mount, so G2 is better. Now let's look at the processor. The processor of C3 is A9 Gen 3 AI processor, and the processor of G2 is A9 Gen 5 AI processor, so C3 is better. Now let's look at the SDR support. C3 provided Dolby Vision SDR10 as LG support, and it is also provided by G2, so both are equal. Now let's look at the gaming features. In C3 4K 120 SZ VRR ALLM, G-Sync FreeSync is available, and it is also available on G2, so both are equal. Now let's look at the audio performance. Dolby Atmos AI Sound Pro is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the smart features. In C3 WebOS 23 improved interface is available, and in G2 WebOS 22 is available, so C3 is better. Now let's look at the connectivity. In C3 4x HDMI 2.1 ERK is available, and it is also available on G2, so both are equal. Now let's look at the sizes available. In C3 42 to 83 inches is available, and in G2 55 to 97 inches is available, so G2 is better. Now let's look at the prices. The price of C3 is more affordable and the price of G2 is higher, so C3 is better. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.